All right, it's just about 9 o'clock. Thank you everyone for being here. My name is Heather Bennett. I'm the Student Support Administrator at WAVA, and with me today is Miss Kathy Swartz, Student Resource Coordinator at WAVA, and we are just going to talk about navigation. First, we'll go over classroom guidelines one more time. You need to be there. Turn off other computer programs, the TV, etc., so you can be fully present during the session. Be on time. We will begin on time. Be prepared. Have a paper and pencil ready to take notes, work on the problem, talk on the microphone, etc. Be engaged. Keep your chat and use of tools to the topic being discussed. Be respectful, contribute positively to the learning community with your words and actions, and most of all, have fun. All right, so we're just going to go over for the last time today, participating in Neuro, just some tips and tricks on how to make that a little easier for you. If you are ever having trouble with your microphone or your audio, please go back to this screen when you first log in, choose your devices, and make sure that you have the correct device chosen. If you wear a headset like Kathy and I do, you will want to find your headset in here. And make sure that that is clicked on so you can see it right there. If you are not using your headset, you can change that to your computer. So just make sure you have the correct devices picked in that spot. So that will help you during class. If you're still having issues, it's a good idea to log out, clear your history in your browser, and then log back in. Most of the time that helps. All right, and make sure that you only have one browser window open. Sometimes you can get some delays if you have more than one browser window open. Also, using Google Chrome is recommended for Neuro. You can use it with Firefox and Explorer, but you won't have the same capabilities and it might not work very well. It might be pretty slow. And then I'll just let you all take a peek at some of the different ways that you can communicate in class. And remember for chat, if you have questions, put that in the question and answer section. And then room chat is just for chatting with each other. All right, and of course we have our tools here. I'm just going to open those up really quick for everybody. Whiteboard tools are pretty fun. Remember, tomorrow in our workshop, you will be able to use those the whole time if you'd like. So I have those turned on for you. And you are going to get your pointer out. And you're just going to point at the picture of the jellyfish. Thank you for using your pointer. Awesome job, everybody. All right, so I'm just going to get the tools turned off. And tomorrow we'll have a lot more time to be able to use those tools. So we are going to tour the online school. I'm just going to screen share so that we can look at this together. Let me get that started. First, I am going to go through our website for you real quick. On our website, the home page, when you first open up, you can see some different activities and videos. Once the school year starts, we will have clubs and social sessions, and you'll be able to see those on the main page. If you are interested in our Flex program, if maybe your learning coach is here with you and they are interested in that, here's a video that you can check out. Let's see, we have our newsletters from last year, all sorts of great information on the main page. So another really good page for you to look at that we recommend when you're first starting school is the links and videos page. We have a ton of helpful links right here. Under K-12 information, These are all in pink. These will help you with getting started information like setting up your accounts, if you have questions about materials, if you're wondering how to look up your student ID, all sorts of great information under the K-12 side. And then if you have questions about WAVA, you can see that on the right-hand side in blue. So lots of good stuff for you over there. If you're wondering about the school calendar for the year, we have that down here in the links as well, the 2021-2022 school year calendar. So that's super helpful to have. You can click on that calendar. Let me just open that up. Let me see if I can share that with you. Oh, it's not letting me share it. Okay, that's okay. We'll just keep going. But when you open up that calendar, you can download that and save it to your laptop. That way you know what your school year will be like. So we'll just keep scrolling down. And as you scroll down, you can see the week of welcome videos. So we have all of the orientations on here, all of the best practices workshops, all of the role of the learning coach workshops, and then we'll have today's workshop. And then tomorrow we will record for the question and answer session because I think you guys will all have some really great questions that a lot of families will have. So I think if it's recorded and others can look at it, that'll be super helpful for everybody. So now we're just going to log in. So I go to the OLS login button and let me make sure that I can share that with you. Hold on really quick. Let me get logged in and then I will share my screen again. All right. All right, hopefully you can see that. So when you log in, this is our demo account for K-12. You can see if you are a returning family, this looks different. We have a whole new online school setup and it's pretty fun. I have been checking it out all summer and I love looking at it. Every time I open it up, it makes me smile because it's so fun. So you can see that when we opened it up right here, you have your Class Connect sessions on the top. And then we have our lessons. And this student in our demo account has a bunch of different lessons to look at. So you can just scroll down and see those lessons. But the thing I really like about this, on here it shows you how many lessons this student needs to complete. There are 10. And as each lesson is completed, this little bar right here next to the treasure chest will fill up and it'll turn green. So that's pretty cool. And then once all 10 lessons are done for the day, you will end up having a solid green bar right there next to the treasure chest. So that's pretty neat. You will most likely not have 10 lessons to complete every day. That's a lot, but this is our demo account, so it does look a little bit different. So I'm just going to go up here and this would not say first grade. That would say your name on there, students. So I'm going to click on that one so you can see what kind of great information we can see over here. You could see that you can change. If you look at this home page, you can change it. If you would like to log in and just see your courses, you can. If you would like to log in and see your plan, that's what I recommend. That way you can see, once you log in, you can see right away what classes you need to attend and what lessons you need to work on. You can change your theme. Right now the theme is forest, but you can change it to winter or space or no theme at all. And I'm going to change it back to forest. Keep scrolling and you can change your sound effects. If you do not want sound effects, if that bugs you to hear that when you're working in your online school, you can turn that off. I think it's pretty cute though, so I like to keep it on. And then also down here is language. You can change that to English or Spanish. All right, So now I'm going to click on the Courses tab so you can see what this student has in their courses. And it looks like they don't have very many courses assigned to our demo account, and that's okay because it's just the demo account. But when you have your courses assigned, you will see ELA, math, science, history, all very fun classes. And then we'll keep looking at this, and you can see your messages. So you can see announcements over here. You can see your teachers when you click on teacher contacts. If you click over here on the right where it says inbox and there's a little envelope, that is your email. So you can look at that as well. And then this last one is resources. So you can look at all your different resources that are assigned to you. So I'm just going to go back to the plan really quick, and we're just going to take a peek at a lesson. So I need to scroll down and find which one will work for us today. I see ELA Green Summit Vocabulary Lesson 1.2 will work for us. So I'm going to hit continue. All right. So this is just a little lesson, a practice lesson opener. So you can see that when you are going through lessons, you'll want to hit this little arrow up here on the right. When you are finished working on that page in your lesson, and then you just keep going. Your learning coach can help you with all of these. If you would like to hear it instead of reading it, you click read up here and it will read it for you. And you can see that in your lessons, you'll have mini lessons. So you can go through those. And then once you're at the end of your lesson, it'll say mark this lesson complete, and you'll click on that. So that is just practice, looking at some lessons. So I hope that was helpful for you all. I'm going to get back to our pages here. It's just kind of fun to look through these. And you'll be able to look through it more while you're working on your Welcome to Online Learning courses, of course. And take the next couple weeks before school starts to just get to know your accounts, the student account and the learning coach account. And if you have questions, don't hesitate to reach out to us, especially in our Q&A session. We can go over some more if you'd like to look at these accounts more. I'm happy to do that with you. So this is your week. Today you are at your navigation workshop. Tomorrow we have our Q&A session at 9 a.m. Please don't forget to complete your Welcome to Online Learning course, those 4 lessons. And if you have any questions, bring those to the session tomorrow. And that is the end of our workshop. Thank you so much, everyone, for being here. I hope that was helpful and that you enjoyed going through the student account. And we will see you tomorrow. If you have any questions, feel free to stay and type them in the chat. If you have no questions, you can go and enjoy your day. Thanks for being here, everybody.